Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanemgar from Akulus and today date is on 10 January 2022 and today we will be discussing why our topic is in exception handling. Exception. Exception means the unwanted and unused things in mostly of the which is to represent into workings. Then exception is the unwanted and unused things. It is a two unwanted and unwanted things, two events to occurred in runtime, to occurred in execution of the program, that is the runtime process, and which is to create the stop the flow, normal flow of the program. This is the for example, to create a one class, that is the my class, and to create main method, that is the public static void main, and to in main method to print the system or system dot out dot println 1, again print the system dot out dot println 2, and again print system dot out dot println 10 divided by 0, and which is the to find output 1, 2, and 10 divided by 0 is the not found, and that is the 2. This to forward process is stop that time, and to display the error 10 divided by 0 is the exception. Then exception handling is the not be to remove this the exception method, but exception handling is a find alternative path and create the alternative path to and continue the this normal flow. Then hierarchical object at like to hierarchical inheritance. Then the object is to create main throwable, and this throwable is the exception of the parent class. This the throwable is to divided in two parts, mainly two parts. First one is the exception, and second one is the errors. The exception is the to occurred in program, but error is the occurred in systems. Then the exception is the found in a program, and this is the to recoverable, but the error is not recoverable because these are the system error. Then the exception is the to create and change the performance of the this program, but error is the not any changes that time. Then the exception is the checked, but the error is unchecked. Then exception is the divided in to divided into class not found and method not found. Class not found, that the if program is the execution, and to method to create method, that the arithmetic, but this arithmetic class is not represent in the class method, that is the class not found. Then the method not found and file not found, that is the same of the class not found. Then the exception, if exception for is the to any mathematical exception, this all exception is present in Java, this called as the arithmetic exception. For example, 10 divided by 0, this is the arithmetic exception. And then index out of bound exception. Index out of bound exception is the it is the two types of the index out of bound exception. index out of bound exception is the first one is array index out of bound exception, and second one is the string out of bound exception. The string and array out of bound exception is to display, yeah, to create a size of the array string limit, and to store the data in out of limit of the string or array. Then the display error of the out of index bound. Then the error is the two types. One first one is the